In this video, we are going to talk about National Occupancy Standards for Access Control Installation Technician. There are three National Occupancy Standards for Access Control Installation Technician. They are: the first one is Engage with Customer for Installation, second one is Install and Set up Access Control, third one is Coordinate with Colleagues and Coworkers. Let us discuss National Occupancy Standards and their uses. NOS 1. Engage with Customer for Installation. This consists of interact with customer to assess the requirement, visit site to understand infrastructure required, suggest possible solutions. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Tushar. Actually, you have called me for the access control at your office. So, related to that I have come.
Okay.
So, may I know your requirements, sir? Is it for the security purpose or do you want it for attendance purpose? Access control?
Okay. Currently, we would require it only for security purpose.
Okay.
We have some sort of budgetary constraints, and we would not want it for attendance. It is just to keep a control on the visitors who enter our office.
Do you require an access control for a single door or multi-door? Do you want it at one door or do you want it multiple doors? Because I see your office is a 3-floor building.
Right. So the present requirement is only for single door.
Okay.
Okay. Like I mentioned to you earlier, the budget that we have right now, we would not want to kind of expend much of it. So we would be happy to have it just for a single door for the next couple of months.
Sure, sir. And may I also ask you, what exactly are you looking in access control? Are you looking for an RFID based cards or a password would be sufficient for you?
Right. There again, password would be sufficient.
Will be sufficient.
Yeah.
Can you just show me where exactly would you require access control, so if you don't mind?
Certainly.
Once check the place.
Yes. We have to go down. I will
Sure.
show you where exactly.
So I can see this is your main door, sir. So I think you require access control over here so that no other person except your authorized inspector will come.
Correct.
So I think so this is a good place to put an access control so that the people can enter password and come in.
Sure.
When can I send my engineer to install this?
Straight away. I'll give it to you.
Thank you. NOS 2. Install and set up the access control system. This consists of procure the hardware required for installation, test the access control hardware before installation, install the wiring, install and set up the access controls, set up the system, use appropriate tools and equipments for installation. There are different types of access control system. For example, if a system gives an access using the fingerprint, it is known as a biometric system. In the same way, if a system gives an access using the scan of the eyeball, it is known as the iris system. The other access control systems are the password-based access control system, RFID card-based access control system, and last, facial access control system. After visiting the client, we understood it requires the password-based access control system. Now let me show you the equipments required for installing a password-based access control system. The equipments are a magnetic door lock, an access control, a power supply, a cutter, different sizes screwdriver, multimeter, insulation tape, and a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Now let me show you how to install an access control system. In this, we are going to see the installation of a standalone access control system with magnetic door lock and an exit switch. Behind the access control system, there are two ports for connectors. We connect the wires to the connector ports. We use a multi-strand wire to connect the access control to the power supply, EM lock and exit switch. We peel the cable with the help of cutter or wire peeler. One pair of the cable is connected to the power supply and access control. This is used to supply power to the device. The other pair of cable connects the exit switch and the access control. And the third pair of the cable connects the access control and the EM lock. The joints of the cable are wrapped with the insulation tape for safety purpose. The red light on the EM lock indicates that it is active. An exit switch is used whenever a person wants to leave the room. NOS 3. Coordinate with colleague and coworkers. This consists of interact with superior or supervisor, coordinate with colleagues.
Hello sir, the installation work of access control is completed. The customer is happy with the work. Sir, is there any work in this area? Or do you want to me come to office?